Hi children, welcome to E-Samveda classes of for 6th standard. Students, in last class we learnt greatest and smallest number of 4-digit numbers. Students, get ready with book and pen. Children, look at this pattern. 1 is added to 9, we get 10. So, single digit number become double digit number. When we add 1 to 99, we get 100. Double digit number become 3 digit number. When we add 1 to 999, we get 1000. Again, when we add 1 to 9999, we get one number. What we call this number? How do we name this? Correct, it is 10,000. It has 5 digits and also has 1 with 4 zeros. It is also called least 5 digit number. Isn't it, children? We will take one example, the number 53. How do we read this? The number name of this number is 53. Let us see the expansion of 53. 53 is equal to 50 plus 3. How many tens are there in 5? 5 tens. How many ones are there in 3? 3 ones. 5 into 10 plus 3 into 1. 3 is at 1's place. 5 is at 10's place. Okay children, we go to next example now. Another number 653. 653. Expansion of 653 is 600 plus 50 plus 3. 6 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 3 into 1. Let us take one more example. 7653. Expansion of this number is 7000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 3. 7 into 1000, 6 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 3 into 1. 7 is at 1000's place, 6 is at 100's place, 5 is at 10's place, 3 is at 1's place. Look at this pattern children. Number name, expansion. In the number column, 30,000. Number name is 30,000. 3 into 10,000. Next one 34,000. 3 into 10,000 plus 4 into 1000. Next 26,500. 2 into 10,000 plus 6 into 1000 plus 5 into 100. Next one 67,430. 6 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 3 into 10. Next number, how do we read that? 8001. 8 into 10,000 plus 1. Children, which is the greatest 5-digit number? Think it. Yes, it is 99,999. By adding 1 to this number, we get 6-digit number. How do we read this? 1 lakh. It consists of 6 digit and also it has 1 with 5 zeros. Let us see the expansion of given number 426,238. How many digits are here? 6 digits. 4 lakh plus 20,000 plus 6,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 8. 4 into 1 lakh plus 2 into 10,000 plus 6 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 8 into 1. One more pattern is here. Observe this. 5 lakh 5 into 1 lakh. 5 lakh 32,148. Expansion form 5 into 1 lakh plus 3 into 10,000 plus 2 into 1000 plus 1 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Next one is 4 lakh 63,792. Expansion is 4 into 1 lakh, 6 into 10,000, 3 into 1000 plus 7 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 2 into 1. Did you understand, children? Next, greatest 6 digit number is 9,99,999. By adding 1 to this number, we get 7 digit number. How do we read that? It is called 10 lakh. How many digits are here? 7 digit. It has 1 and 6 zeros. Now, greatest 7 digit number is 99 lakh 99,999. By adding 1 to this number, we get 8 digit number, that is 1 crore. Similarly, 9 digit number, that is called 10 crores. Look at these numbers. Students, try to read these numbers. Read these numbers together. 2,79,453. 50,35,472. 15 crore 27,375. Was it difficult to read? Yes, I think so. That's why we should learn face value chart. It is easy to learn to read the numbers using the place value chart. Look at this table. Indian system of numbers. There are periods like ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. Places and digits in numbers. We take from right to left ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. 10 crore has 9 digit, crore has 8 digit, 10 lakh has 7 digits, lakh has 6 digits, 10,000 has 5 digits, 1000 has 4 digits, 100 has 3 digit, 10 has 2 digit, 1 has only 1 digit. Let us take one example, which number is given 274895643. Insert the numbers in respective places. 3 is at 1's place, 4 is at 10's place, 6 is at 100's place, 5 is at 1000's place, 9 is at 10,000 place, 8 is at lakhs place, and so on. 2 is at 10 crore place. Now it is easy to read. 27 crore 48 lakh 95,643. Expansion is 2 into 10 crore, 7 into crore, 4 into 10 lakh, 8 into lakh plus 9 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1000 plus 6 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1. So, uses of commas. No children, commas help us in reading and writing large numbers. In our Indian system of numeration, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakhs and crores. Commas are used to mark thousands, lakhs and crores. The first comma comes after hundreds place, that means after 3 digits from right to left and marks thousands. The second comma comes 2 digits later, that means 5 digit from the right to left. It comes after 10,000s place and marks lakh. The third comma comes after another 2 digits, that means 7 digit from the right to left. It comes after 10 lakhs place and marks crore. We take one more example here. How do we put the commas? From right to left. After 3 digit first comma, after 5 digit second comma, after 7 digit third comma. Try to solve these. What is 10 minus 1? What is 100 minus 1? What we get? 10,000 minus 1? What is 1 lakh minus 1? What is 1 crore minus 1? Think about it. You know the answer? Yes, you are right. 10 minus 1 is 9, 100 minus 1 is 99, 10,000 minus 1 is 9,999, 1 lakh minus 1 is 99,999, 1 crore minus 1 is 99 lakh 99,999. We go to solve one more problem. Starting from the greatest 6-digit number, write the previous 5 numbers in descending order. Which is the 6-digit, greatest 6-digit number? Yes, it is 9,99,999. Yes children, greatest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. So, previous number of this number is 9,99,998. Next one, 9,99,997. Next one, 9,99,996. Next one, 9,99,995. Which is next one? 9,99,994. These previous numbers. Previous number is also called as predecessor. Look at that last column. Look at that 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Predecessor of 9 is 8. Predecessor of 8 is 7. Predecessor of 7 is 6. Predecessor of 6 is 5. Predecessor of 5 is 4. Did you understand children? One more problem. We get starting from the smallest 8-digit number, write the next 5 numbers in ascending order and read them. Which is the smallest 8-digit number? Yes, smallest 8-digit number is which one? 1 crore. What next? What is the next number of this 1 crore? 1 crore 1. Next one, 1 crore 2. After that, 1 crore 3. What comes next? Yes, you are right. 1 crore 4. Next number, 1 crore 5. These succeeding numbers are also called successor. Here, the number comes after 1. 1, that is 2, that is successor of 1. 3 is successor of 2. 4 is successor of 3. 5 is successor of 4. Did you understand, children? Let us see one more problem. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. We should insert commas from right to left. 9 crore 58 lakh 46,283. Look at the place values and places. What is the place of 6? 1000. What is the place of 3? Ones. What is the place of 9? Crore. Yes, you are right. Students, observe this data. Population of India 1378 million. Population of China 1412 million. Population of USA 330 million. Population of world 7.8 billion. Children, you observe that here billion and million numbers are used. So, these million and billion numbers are used in International System of Numerals. Indian system of number is used in India, but when we go to other countries of the world, they follow international number system. Therefore, it is necessary for us to learn international number system. So, let us see how the numbers insert in this table. This is International System of Numbers table. Periods, places, digits, place values. All 3 digits ones it divides as periods. Ones period, thousands period, millions period. Places, ones, tens, hundreds in one period. 1000, 10,000, 100,000 in thousands period. Millions, 10 millions, 100 millions are in million period. In million period, 100 million has 9 digit, 10 million has 8 digit, million has 7 digits. In thousand period, 100,000 has 6 digits, 10,000 5 digit, 1000 4 digit, and so on. Let us see one example. The numbers insert in international system 352603784. 352,603,784. Begin to put the commas from right and insert a comma after every 3 digit, that is like this way 352, 6 784, isn't it? Know this, children. Use commas help in reading and writing large numbers. In Indian system of numeration, we have commas after 3 digits starting from the right and thereafter every 2 digits. The commas after 3, 5, 7 digits separate thousand, lakh and crore respectively. In the international system of numeration, commas are placed after every 3 digits starting from right. The commas after 3 and 6 digits separate thousand and million respectively. Let us compare the Indian and international system of numeral. International system and Indian system. Till 5 digits in both systems, numbers are placed at same places. After 5 digit, from right to left, we can see the differences. Try to compare these. 6th digit from right to left, 8 is placed, lakh place in Indian system, but it is placed at 100,000 at international system. Let us go to 6. 6 is at 10 crore place in Indian system, but 6 is placed at 100 million place in international system. In international system, the number name of given numeral is 643,829,572. Observe the commas, children. Next, Indian system number name 64 crore 38 lakh 29,572, and after in international system every t digit from right you use the commas. Comparison of Indian and international system of numeral. 1 lakh is equal to, you go to back here, 1 lakh is equal to 100,000, 10 lakh is equal to 1 million, crore is equal to 10 million, 10 crore is equal to 100 million. Remember it. What we discussed in today's session: expansion of numbers, place value chart, Indian and international system of numbers, use and importance of commas in numerals, comparison of Indian and international system of numbers. Once again, expansion of numbers, place value chart, Indian and international system of numbers, use and importance of commas in numerals, comparison of Indian and international system of numbers. Try to do these, children. How many thousands are there in 1 lakh? Think once. Yes, you are right. 100,000. One more question. How many millions are there in 1 crore? What is the answer? Yes, you are right. 10 million. How many lakh are there in 1 million? Think it. Yes, 10 lakh. Which is the greatest 5-digit number? 99,999. Try this. Again, one more sum is here. Place commas correctly and write their numerals. 73,35,604. How do we put the comma here? How do we use the comma? After 73, one comma, after 35, one more comma. Yes, 73, 35, 604. The number is 73,35,604. Do at home. Write down in your notebook. Expand the number. 3,56,235. Next one. Note down, children. How many zeros are there in 1 lakh? Third one. Write in Indian number system. 210,523,000. Students, practice the exercise 1.1 in page number 12 of class 6th, part 1, mathematics textbook, and show it to your respective teacher. Stay safe, stay home, keep learning. Thank you. I am Shashikala SC, TGT, GMPS Kodanakunte, Bengaluru South 3. Thank you.